Vizi-Tec SupaBrake-II modulator has been installed. I've already gone through the programming, but I will do a quick rundown on what I did. So, 2 cables installed, one to the brake light itself, one into the existing wiring of the motorcycle. To do the programming, you will hold either the front or your rear brake. You will then turn on the power while holding the front or rear brake. Again, one-handed, not going to do that right now. And then you will wait 30 seconds. This will start to flash, and then you can go through setting profiles 1 through 10. I've already gone through and set my profile. I have set it for a more aggressive since I have an LED tail light that came from the factory. That is profile 2. I went through up to profile 4. I like the more aggressive flash a little bit better, just for the round town driving that I have. Also to note that if you stay off the brakes longer, it says that it will flash more. That is still to be determined. I'll find out more as I start riding the bike around town. I found a PDF. I will upload it onto my YouTube channel here. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, but the PDF should guide you through pretty much everything. Thanks for watching.